Hello?
Hello.
You alright?
Are you all right?
Is it just you here?
No.
How did you do?
All I can say is
Oh
that was
dear.
probably the most scariest thing.
Oh no.
But I started this show on a high,
Yeah?
and if I go tomorrow, it will end on a high.
You got the lot.
I got 5.
No, well done.
Well done, mate.
Out of?
6. 5 out of 6.
Fantastic.
Well done.
But that has to be, they said this is probably one of the scariest because it's pitch black.
What was it? What you
In a
have to do?
big cave, and they just shut the kind of cave door behind
wow.
you. And it's just dark, you can't even see your hand.
So what was in there with you?
Flipping, I mean, if these green ants keep biting me, you feel him slime and you don't know what you're touching, there's things running across you. I mean, there must have been rats, spiders, loads of cockroaches. Screamed a lot. I screamed like a blimmin' banshee at one point.
Wow. Well, good for you, mate. Good for you.
Cheers, mate.
5 out
I'd
of 6.
say
That's
so.
great, man.
Great, isn't it? Nice
Well
food
done.
tonight.
That's brilliant. That's a lot, you know.
So we'll have some good food, hopefully like yesterday.
That's so brave to go into somewhere like that.
It's horrible.